50 unboxing and first look. What you think, guys? It's 5G phone price $30K. It's best and beats or not? Okay, let's look box. Box front side. Vivo X13 name printed. Box looking same last model. Okay, inside the box front side mobile phone here. And box right side it's 5G name tag here. Okay, first look. Phone fully cover on plastic papers. Wow, see guys, I like it. Backside look like compact phone style. 5G phone. Later look side BY side, or main box inside. Headphone here, then AC adapter. It support fast charging. 33 watts fast charging. Last free case and paper works. Let's look phone. The Vivo X30 Pro has a 6.44-inch 1080p Plus Super AMOLED display with punch hole cutout, and in-game. The other key highlight of the Vivo X30 Pro is support for 5G connectivity. The Vivo X30 Pro is powered by Samsung's 8nm Exynos 980 processor with integrated 5G modem. This is paired with up to 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage. Software inside the phone is Vivo's new FunTouch OS X, which, for some reason, is still based on Android 9 Pie as per the phone's listing. The phone is further backed by a 4,350 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support through USB Type-C. The phone is further backed by a 4,350 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support through USB Type-C.